already held several meetings. There has also been certain meetings we've heard about the 100-day plan. Some people have called this arrogance of the Prime Minister. What do you say about that? Is this confidence of a leader who knows that he can lead India in this Amrit Kal or his vision of Amrit Kal, or is this arrogance?
Devika, I think it is evident. Prime Minister Modi's vision for the country, from fragile 10 to today we are fifth largest economy, and soon we will be third largest economy in the world. And his mission in life is that we should become the developed nation by the time 2047. He's basically, there is a tectonic shift the way Indian polity dynamics was happening. He's challenged the obsolete tool of Indian politics by challenging this appeasement policy. He has challenged the entire corrupt model which was perpetrated, and few cronies were making money out of this country. There were 9 scams in 10 years of UPA. So he's talking against corruption. He's talking about this caste division. Most of the leaders today, they have flourishing based upon their caste considerations, caste equations. But he knows the posterity and the future of this country will not be fed by this caste equations. So he's trying to obliterate, he's trying to blur those tectonic gaps between the two castes, and based on that, you will see caste-based dynastic rule across the country. For example, Akhilesh, 5 family members are contesting elections. Rahul Gandhi is the only person left in the entire Congress who is the flag bearer of the Congress politics. So he's seen this, and he's realized that this country is being literally given to the dogs, and we need to change this. So the new person has emerged who has challenged the entire hypothesis of Indian past politics. There is a tectonic shift. No wonder he held 126 rallies. Look at the kind of relentless work he's doing right from Kanyakumari. He's back into work. He's already holding the... So his vision for the country is so honest, so sincere, and no wonder it will percolate down to every person in this country. Look at his all the central policies. 80 करोड़ को उनका राशन पहुंच रहा है, सबके घर में आवास पहुंच रहा है, जल पहुंच रहा है. So he's working at a very macro level, and no wonder our economy and stock market, you see that it's gone to all-time high. We have highest foreign exchange. Our reputation in the international arena is impeccable. He's the most popular leader in the world. So our foreign policy is in control, our economy is in control, our social equation